everyone, welcome to the Keep Productive YouTube channel. My name is Francesco and welcome back to another video. So in today's feature, we are celebrating 20,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel, which is bloody amazing, mainly because it's been like 3 years since we launched this channel. And it's something that has taken a lot of time to get to. I remember when I celebrated with you guys at 10,000 subscribers, and we did a big giveaway which was massive. What I wanted to do today is do another giveaway but sort of scale it back. So I've included like 5 big apps that are going to give away a few things and 2 specific prizes that I want to give away. But just before we get into that, I wanted to thank you all for the support on this channel. I think finally we're getting the idea with the branding, the regular pieces that are coming out, and more talking about the features that are useful for you guys. So I really hope you're enjoying the content. Over the next couple of weeks, you'll see a few changes. We'll be launching a brand new podcast, so that should be really fun. But apart from that, I think you guys are amazing. Since we launched the Facebook group, there's 1,000+ of you, and you are all having great conversations, positive conversations about how to be more productive every single day. And it's not necessarily about the cheesy things, it's more like the actionable things and the vital things. And as busy professionals, I think that is an important conversation to have. So let's get stuck in. And you're probably asking yourself, how do I enter this giveaway? It's super duper simple. So number 1, you need to like this video. Number 2, you need to comment with the prize you want. Number 3, you need to be subscribed with the bell notification. And number 4, this is an optional one. If you want to join the Facebook group, you can join it in the description below. So the first one is from Evernote. Now I contacted them and they were like, Francesco, we're gonna send you something. And I was like, what is this thing? So I'm gonna be opening the FedEx package that arrived today. So I'll do that live in front of you guys. I'm quite excited for this. I don't know what it's gonna be. So hopefully there's some prizes for you guys in there. If not, I've got like one year premium to give away. Becca's gonna kill me because she wanted to wait for me to open this, and I don't know why, because she likes when people open packages. Oh, t-shirts. Okay, so some t-shirts, some new nice Evernote t-shirts. That's another similar one, but it's like swirly writing. I think they've got that on the wall, and it says, "Forgetting sucks." I love that. Oh my god. Right, let's read the letter to it. Thanks for being such an amazing member of the Evernote community. From Charlotte. That's one of the team at Evernote. Lovely. Oh, a package of Evernote stickers. Oh, and the original ones. I'm not being rude. I'm taking notes on Evernote on my days. That's the awesomest one. And oh, let's see what else. 5 more 1 year, 6 months premiums, which is awesome. Oh no, there's a couple of 3 and 6 months. That's really good. So I'll include how many are in the description below. And I really want this actually, but I'm going to give it away because I know you guys. What is in here? This is so awesome. And a gorgeous MIRIR bag, Evernote. Beautiful. And finally I think it looks like a tattoo, but I'm not sure what it is. And an official Evernote pin for your, like, putting it there, which is pretty awesome. So that's what Evernote has got to give away. So that's like 4 t-shirts. And what I'll do is, if you enter for the Evernote, I will randomly pick what you get. But do specify if you want to, and I can do like a mini pulls. Hopefully that'll be easy to organise. And so the second prize is Todoist are kind of giving away 6 months premium codes, which is awesome. Trello will be giving away 3 6-month gold codes. The team at TickTick are giving away 5 12-month codes, which is awesome. The team at Notion, I reached out to them and they're doing a very special offer for us. Using the code KEEPPRODUCTIVE30, you will get 30% off Pro for life, which is bloody awesome. So Notion Pro will now be at 30% discount using that code. but you have to redeem it by the 14th of February, which is Valentine's Day, because it's a time-sensitive one. But what an amazing offer, actually, because I think 30% off is great, so you're going to get that recurring. Remember the Milk have sent over 3 12-month premium codes, which is awesome. And finally, there are 2 more prizes from me. I will be giving away to the winner an Amazon Basics whiteboard, which I will ship to you directly via Amazon Prime. I think that's a great prize. I think that Mike Varney endorses whiteboards and things like that, so I think it's really good to have. I'll probably get one once I get a proper place. And the second prize is I will mail David Allen's Getting Things Done book over to another winner via Amazon Prime. So hopefully those are some prizes. So let's just recap. Number 1, Evernote, and all of those lovely stuff that we mentioned. I'll include a full inventory of it in the description. Number 2, there are 6 months code for Todoist. Number 3, there are 3 6 months code of Trello Gold. Number 4, there are 5 12-month codes for TickTick. Number 6, I will include the coupon for Notion 30% off. You need to message one of the team members in the chat function. And number 6, remember the Milk, 3 12-month codes, and finally a Amazon Basics whiteboard for your own room and David Allen's GTD book. So guys, I hope that's a good 20,000 subscriber milestone. Hopefully we'll hit more milestones, probably do another big one at 50. That's probably a good idea. But guys, I really appreciate all of your support over the last 3 years. It's been absolutely an honor to do videos for you guys and support you. So good luck with the prizes. I'll be releasing them 2 weeks from today, so you've got a full 2 weeks to jump in. So if you're viewing this video like one day before, you can go for it, but on day 2 weeks after the video's been launched, it will close, so make sure to be fast. Anyway guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for your support recently, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all very, very soon. Cheers.